Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. It's a big day. It's my little hunting partner's first birthday, and she says she wants to get on some roosters. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go chase down some Iowa roosters, see if we can't get into a few, but I think with her, we're probably gonna find them. So stick with us, and hopefully that's the case.
Got a point right here. That's a rooster. No bird, no bird, no bird. No bird. Dead bird, dead bird. Dead bird, dead bird, this way, hey, here. Viper, dead bird here. Viper, here. Here, dead bird. Dead bird. Dead bird. Good girl. Fetch. Here. 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 Good girl. Good girl. Out. Out. Hey, out. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Hunt him up. Hunt him up. Let's go. Hunt him up. Let's go. Hunt him up. Let's go. Good girl, hunt him up. And no bird, no bird. Piper, no bird, no bird. No bird. I think she's got a point right here. Viper, easy. Viper, easy. Viper, easy. Yeah, Viper here. Here. Yep, she just ripped that one. Here. Oh, she's on point, actually. I just got a notification up here. It's probably that one that just ripped, though. Yeah. And Viper, no bird here. Yeah, she ripped that rooster. A little too close. Sucks there's no birds in here, though. Let's hunt this to the timber and let's just kick it right. She's on point again. Jesus Christ. Viper here, no bird here. 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 And here. That's a rooster. Hen. Rooster. No bird. No bird. Find them. Point. Oh. There's a rooster. Viper, dead bird. She's on it. She saw it. Easy. Easy. Shoot that one. Dang it. Rooster. dead bird, hen, Piper, fetch. Fetch, here. Here, good girl, here. Yeah, she's got it here. Here. Good girl. Good girl. Out. 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 Hey. Out. Out. Good girl. I'll throw it in. I'll give it to you up there. Hey. Come up. Let's go. Good shot. Dead bird.
That was you.
I think we both got a piece of that one, but
You greased that one. Greta was nosing around in there.
They shot at the same time. I heard one shot.
Yeah. You and you shot at the same time.
No, the last shot was him.
Oh, was it?
Yeah. One bird, dead bird.
oh, now she's gonna be cold. Come on. Come on, this way. Get out of there. Come on, Piper. Come on, here. Let's get out of there. We don't need you any cold. Come here, 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 here. Come on. Come here. Oh, now I'm gonna be cold. Oh well. Yeah, you shouldn't have to get wet. As long as you can do that.
You're an old.
Come on, Piper.
I'm an old guy, dude. This is young guy stuff.
I can take your gun if you want. You should be able to go all the way down. Just use your dog as a step. There you go.
Boy, she loves the water.
Uh-huh. There you go.
I gotta be extra careful. I'll end up on YouTube.
Oh, there we go. Yeah.
Man. Get out of your way, Steve. Look at her swiveling.
We're gonna pull you forward. That's all I can tell you.
I'm the old guy, and I still made it. I barely made
I was
it.
gonna say, if you're falling, we're gonna pull you right forward to the ground. All right. Let's go see if we can find that one. We'll push this out. Let's go this way. Dead bird. I thought so. Sucks. I've seen them drop like that, and next thing you know, I think they got it right here. Piper's got it, or no, Greta. They both got it. Good girls. Dead bird. Hey, drop it. Out, out, out. They got it. Yeah. Piper pointed it, and Greta grabbed it. There we go. Well, that's another one.
You want a picture with it?
No, we'll get one at the end. Just get it in the camera. Whew. All right, let's go kill some more birds, guys. What do you think?
If you want it into this?
Yeah, sure. If you want to toss it in there, that'd be great. All right.
Tucked in there.
Let's get it. Heck yeah. Thanks. Dead bird. Dead bird. It's not dead. Let them both go if you want. Dead bird. Dead bird. I don't know how dead it is. Oh, she's got it. Good girl, Piper. Good girl. Good girl. That's the birthday limit bird. Out. Out. Hey, out. I got it. Out. Out. Drop it. Out. Hey, I got it. Out. Out. Hey, out. 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 Piper. Out. Yes, good. Good. Good girl. Got one. Good girl. All right.
All right, guys, thanks for watching. That was a heck of a fun hunt. Boy, we moved a load of birds in that first spot, but they were super flighty. Ended up getting the limit, shot 3 of them. I think we shot 4 as a group. It was a little tough. They were not wanting to sit still, but Piper got her birthday limit. She did a really good job. She's pretty tuckered out, so got a little bit of snow falling. Hopefully some of it sticks so we can get on them in the morning again. But as always, thanks for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, really helps me out. So, all right guys, catch you next time.